Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting and informative tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to wall mount your TV like a pro. Whether you're setting up a new entertainment center or just want to save some space, this guide will help you get it done right. It's easier than you think, and I'll guide you through each step. By the end of this video, you'll have your TV mounted securely and looking great. First things first, let's gather our tools. Having the right tools on hand will make the process smoother and more efficient. You'll need a stud finder, which is essential for locating the studs behind your wall. A level, to ensure everything is perfectly straight. A drill, for making the necessary holes. And screws, to secure the mount. And of course, your wall mount kit. Got 'em? Great. Make sure you have all the components of the kit before you start. Step 1. Find the perfect spot on your wall. Consider the viewing angle and the height at which you'll be watching TV. Use your stud finder to locate the studs. This is crucial for ensuring that your TV is mounted securely. Trust me, you don't want your TV to come crashing down. Finding the studs will give you the support you need. Mark the stud locations with a pencil. This will help you align the wall mount bracket accurately. Next, it's time to attach the wall mount bracket. Make sure you have all the screws and bolts ready. Hold the bracket against the wall, aligning it with the studs. This step is crucial for stability. Use your level to make sure it's straight. A crooked mount will make your TV look off balance. Now mark the holes where you'll be drilling. Double check your measurements to avoid mistakes. Alright, let's drill those holes. Be sure to use the correct drill bit size for your screws. Make sure your drill bit matches the size of the screws in your wall mount kit. This ensures a snug fit. Once the holes are ready, screw in the bracket securely. Tighten the screws firmly but avoid over-tightening. Give it a little tug to make sure it's solid. You want to ensure it can hold the weight of your TV. Now it's time to attach the mounting plate to your TV. This part is usually straightforward, but follow the instructions carefully. Check your TV's manual for the correct screw sizes. Using the wrong screws can damage your TV. Line up the plate with the holes on the back of your TV and screw it in place. Easy, right? Make sure it's secure before moving on. Here's the fun part, hanging your TV. This is where all your hard work pays off. This is definitely a two-person job, so grab a friend. Lifting the TV alone can be risky and difficult. Lift the TV and hook the mounting plate onto the wall bracket. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Double check that it's secure and level. A level TV ensures the best viewing experience. Last but not least, tidy up those cables. A clean setup not only looks better but also prevents tripping hazards. You can use cable ties or a cable management kit to keep everything neat and organized. This step is often overlooked but makes a big difference. No one likes a messy setup. Take a few extra minutes to make it look professional. And there you have it. You've successfully mounted your TV like a pro. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've successfully mounted your TV like a pro. Now you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies in style. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your perfectly positioned screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your success with us in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy mounting. See you in the next video.